at UNT, and you can see those wind turbines just going and going there, because when I tell you that wind kept me up last night, I know we had the rain earlier, but will that wind be a problem too?
The wind is going to stay consistent the rest of the day.
Okay.
It's going to be one of those days, and it's all thanks to a cold front moving in. And ahead of that front, we have these storms that are now pushing out of Texas. I want to show you where those storms are. They're now exiting the state of Texas and causing severe weather in Louisiana. Severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings there. For us here locally, no watches, no warnings in place. But definitely make sure to alert your friends and your neighbors there in Louisiana. Here closer to home, clear on radar. That is some good news after a rainy morning. Yes, we picked up some beneficial rainfall, so some good news on that front as well. We do still have some lingering showers for far east Texas, but that's really about it. This is what I'm watching though. A dry line. That's where dry air is separated by the humid air in East Texas. Where those two meet sometimes cause some thunderstorms, and that's something that I'll be monitoring here for the next couple of hours. We could see a few storms develop north of Interstate 20, east of Interstate 35. I am not expecting severe weather though. If we see anything, it's going to be a brief storm. I'm also watching this cold front. This is what's going to bring in the windy weather, and it's going to also help bring in the cooler weather. It's the reason why we don't warm up very much today. Here's a look at where we could see some of that activity in terms of rain later today. This is showing you as we approach midday, and you can see that activity kind of moving off towards the east. Our western counties are done with the rain for today. I want to show you though where that line eventually does move off to. It is going to move into the rest of Louisiana, middle Mississippi. That's where the highest threat for severe weather is today. It's a 4 out of 5. It's one of those rare occasions where the entire state of Mississippi is under the bullseye for severe weather, all forms of severe weather at that. Here closer to home, we've dried out, but we did pick up some beneficial rainfall. Anywhere between 1/2 to 1 inch of rain across the Metroplex. The more west you are, the less rain you accumulated. The more east you are, you picked up a little bit more rain. Areas of Greenville, just over 1 inch of rain, close to 1.5 inches of rain in McKinney. Now that we're approaching the afternoon hours, look at this. We are seeing some blue sky out there. It's a little bit hard to see on this camera, but some of this cloud cover is breaking, and you can see that camera shaking, those winds gusting at about 30 miles per hour. And that windy weather is what's helping bring in this cooler air that's right now in the Panhandle. 41 in Amarillo, 46 in Lubbock. That cold air is going to swing into North Texas. It's not going to be that cold, but look at what our winds will be doing. Anywhere between 30 to 35 mile per hour wind gust will be possible for this afternoon, and that's what's going to keep us cooler than what we were at yesterday. We will only top out this afternoon in the upper 60s. We may make it to about 68 degrees in Dallas, 67 in Fort Worth, slightly cooler for our western counties. Here's a look at that 10-day changes. 46 degrees for Thursday morning, so tonight will be cold. 70 degrees Thursday afternoon. Our next round of rain is brief Friday night. We dry up and warm up for the weekend, and then we're looking at another round of rain Monday, Tuesday of next week, as our temperatures stay in the low 80s and then 70s middle part of next week. Definitely a springtime forecast, Ashara.
Maria, thank you. Appreciate that update. We got